Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
Adding Yahoo Mail to your taskbar makes checking your emails much faster. You can access your inbox with one click instead of opening a browser and typing the address every time. First, open the Google Chrome browser on your computer. Go to the Yahoo Mail website and log into your account. Once you see your inbox, look at the top right corner of the browser window. Click on the three vertical dots to open the menu. Hover your mouse over the Save and Share option and then select Install Page as App. A small window will pop up asking for a name. You can leave it as Yahoo Mail and then click the Installed button. This creates a shortcut on your desktop and opens the mail in its own window. Now, look at your taskbar at the bottom of the screen. You will see the Yahoo icon sitting there. Right-click on that icon and select Pin to Taskbar. Now the icon will stay there even after you close the window. If you use Microsoft Edge, the process is very similar. Open Edge and navigate to your Yahoo Mail inbox. Click the three horizontal dots in the top right corner. Go down to the Apps section and select Install this site as an app. Click Install when the prompt appears. Once the app opens, right-click the Yahoo icon on your taskbar and choose Pin to Taskbar. This method works perfectly for Windows users who want a dedicated button for their mail. You can now access your messages instantly. This trick saves time and keeps your desktop organized.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.